Mainly two types of seizures, partial seizure and generalized. Partial seizure further divided two types, simple and complex partial seizures. Partial seizure means seizure activity originate in one parts of the brain. Generalized seizures, seizure activity involve entire brain. The generalized seizure is further divided, absence seizure, myoclonic seizure, tonic-clonic seizures, and tonic and atonic seizures. Another classification of seizures. Generalized seizures may be major epilepsy or grand mal seizure. Minor epilepsy, also known as petit mal or absence seizure. Minor epilepsy, also known as petit mal or absence seizure. Myoclonic seizures. Next is partial seizure. Partial seizure may be focal or Jacksonian seizures. And third is status epilepticus. Now discuss with generalized seizures. It involves the entire brain. Consciousness is lost. Patient is unconscious for 10 minutes or more than 30 or 1 hour. And then seizure may last from several seconds to several minutes. Further divided generalized seizures, major epilepsy, minor epilepsy, and myoclonic type of epilepsy. Three types of generalized seizures: major epilepsy, minor epilepsy, and myoclonic epilepsy. Major are also known as grand mal epilepsy. Define the attack or fits occur suddenly at any place or time. Patient fall down and loses awareness of his surrounding. Convulsions proceed as follow or is a warning signal prior to onset of seizure, like a sensation of peculiar taste or smell, spots, feeling of weakness. Epileptic cry. Patient loses consciousness with the epileptic cry. It is caused by spasm of thoracic abdominal muscles. Expelling air through the glottis. Tonic stages. Patient fall to ground with all his muscle is increases tone. Muscle tone is increased in tonic stages with rigidity. With rigidity is present. The skin become pale and cyanotic. Some patients cyanosed, and sometimes respiration ceases. Clonic stages. Clonic stage means characterized by rhythmic jerking movement that follow the tonic stage. Usually start at one place and become generalized, including the muscle of the face. And there is frothing at the mouth and incontinence of urine and pauses pieces, tickle. Duration is approximately clonic stage is 1 to 5 minutes. Next is post-ictal stage. It refers to recovery period after a seizure. The patient sleeps deeply for 30 minutes to several hours. Following these deep stages, client may complain of headache, confusion, fatigue. Client may realize that they had a seizure, but not remember the event. This is a picture shows tonic phase means increases muscle tone and rigidity of the body, both upper and lower limbs and abdominal muscle. Below clonic phases is a rhythmic jerking movements of the upper and lower limbs. Second is minor epilepsy, also known as absence seizure. Minor epilepsy or absence seizures is also known as petit mal seizure. Absence seizure, also known as petit mal seizure, are more common in children and usually disappear after puberty. Such patient does not fall. The patient demonstrates a brief changes such as rolling of the eyes, blinking, slight mouth movement. In petit mal seizure or absence seizures, brief changes like rolling of the eyes, blinking, and the slight mouth movement. And patient doesn't fall. The duration is about brief duration and the relatively lack of prominent movement. Seizure often go unnoticed. People with absence seizure can have them many times a day. Next is myoclonic seizures. Myoclonic seizures are characterized by sudden excessive jerking of the arm, legs, and entire body. In some instances, the muscle activity is so severe that the client falls to the ground. The seizures are brief durations. Myoclonic means jerking of the arm, legs, and entire body. Next, second is partial seizure, or also known as focal or Jacksonian seizures. It begins in a specific area of the cerebral cortex. Partial seizure can progress to further generalized seizures. It begins as a localized motor seizure with convulsions starting in one part of body. Example from the thumb and gradually involve the hand and arm, face, and other parts. It is known as Jacksonian seizures. Patient may or may not lose consciousness. Feeling of nausea, sweating, skin flushing, and dilatation of pupil can also occur. This is a brief, simple summary. Partial seizure or focal onset seizure. It may be two types: simple partial. Patient conscious level is remain conscious. In complex partial seizure, loss of consciousness. It may be secondary generalized seizures. Then next progress to generalized seizures. In generalized seizure, patient unconscious. Third is status epilepticus. A very important status epilepticus or management of status epilepticus. It is characterized by at least 30 minutes of repetitive seizures activity without return to consciousness. Nowadays, less than 5 or 10 minutes loss of consciousness known as status epilepticus. In other words, it is a state in which person has continuous seizure lasting at least 30 minutes. That is a medical emergency and required ventilation, oxygen, and or prevent irreversible neurological damage. The abrupt cessation of anticonvulsive therapy is the usually cause of status epilepticus. Some causes or etiology of epilepsy. Inherited or genetic causes. Single gene mutation 2%, multiple gene plus environmental factors. Genetic disorder like Down syndrome, Dravet syndrome. Acquired causes, head trauma, neurosurgery, cerebrovascular disease, any infection in brain like meningitis, influenza, toxoplasmosis, mumps, measles, syphilis. Metabolic disorder like person goes to hypoglycemia, hypocalcemia, intracranial mass or intracranial neoplasm causes epilepsy. Congenital sub-inborn error of metabolism. Withdrawal of drugs like alcohol, benzodiazepine, barbiturate, anticonvulsant. Withdrawal of drugs, sudden withdrawal of alcohol, anti-epileptic drug, barbiturate, benzodiazepine causes epilepsy. Some age-wise causes: birth to 1 month, birth injury or hypoxia, congenital hereditary disease, metabolic disorder. 1 to 6 months, as above, plus infantile is called. Epilepsy or seizure disorder diagnosed clinically, mainly clinically diagnosed. Neurological examination, neuropsychological test, doctor test for behavior, motor abilities, mental function, and other symptoms, and taken medical history. Next investigation is very important: EEG for seizure disorder or not a seizure disorder, epilepsy. EEG, electroencephalogram, track electrical signal from the brain. Other investigation is to rule out other disease, mass like lesion. CT scan, MRI can be used for rule out tumor, bleeding, or cyst. Treatment is mainly pharmacological. Another is non-pharmacological treatment can be given like ketogenic diet is mainly used in the child ketogenic diet. Next is a non-pharmacological treatment is surgery. Surgery like lobe resection, laminectomy, vagus nerve stimulations, multiple subbile transections, responsive neurostimulation devices, RNS, responsive neurostimulation devices with avoid precipitating factor like stress, sleep deprivation. Mainly pharmacological treatment is given. Sodium channel blockers are mainly anytime carbamazepine, valproic acid, lamotrigine, topiramate, denosumab, all are the calcium channel blocker. Sodium channel blocker. Calcium channel blocker like ethosuximide, topiramate, and gabapentin. Choice of treatment for partial seizures, first line drug of choice is first are focal seizure or partial seizure. Carbamazepine. Carbamazepine is a drug of choice for focal or partial seizure. Other drug is phenytoin, lamotrigine, valproic acid, oxcarbazepine. Next is generalized seizure or absence seizure. Drug of choice is valproic acid and ethosuximide. Other drug is lamotrigine, levetiracetam. Or myoclonic seizures, drug of choice, valproic acid. Tonic-clonic seizures, drug of choice is phenytoin, valproic acid. These are some doses given. Now, management of status epilepticus in short. Initial management of status epilepticus is supportive, positioning the person to avoid injury, supporting respiration, maintain blood pressure and blood sugar, correcting hypoglycemia. First line of drug is or status epilepticus is intravenous lorazepam or diazepam. Drug of choice for status epilepticus is lorazepam, IV, lorazepam or diazepam. Alternative medicine is midazolam. Other drug is sodium valproate. Phenytoin also used. If not recovered status epilepticus, then anti-anesthetic drug can be used. Propofol. Ketogenic diet is a non-pharmacological treatment. Ketogenic diet containing a high content of fats followed by protein carbohydrate was found to reduce seizure in some children. Mainly used for children. Lobe resections is a lobe within the which seizure focus is located, is cut off. Lasenectomy, the surgery remove brain lesions, area of injury or defect like tumor or malformed blood vessels that cause seizures. Seizure usually stop once the lesion is removed. Vagus nerve stimulations is a devices implanted under the skin send an electrical jolt to the vagus nerve, which control activity between brain and major internal organ. It lowers seizure activity in some people with partial seizures. Vagus nerve stimulation devices is placed in anterior part of chest, then connected to vagus nerve. VNS is a palliative technique that involves surgical implantation of stimulation devices. It is currently indicated for patients older than 12 years with medically partial seizures that are not treated surgically. Some drug of choice for epilepsy. GTCS type of seizure means generalized tonic-clonic seizure, atonic, myoclonic seizure, absent seizure. Drug of choice is valproic acid. GTCS, atonic, myoclonic seizure, absent seizure. Drug of choice is valproate. Febrile seizure. Febrile seizure mainly found in children. Intranasal midazolam or rectal diazepam. Drug of choice for febrile seizure is intranasal midazolam or rectal diazepam. Prophylaxis of febrile seizure, oral diazepam. Absent seizure in below 4-year child. Drug of choice is ethosuximide. Absent seizure in below 4-year child. Drug of choice ethosuximide. For infantile spasm, drug of choice is ACTH. Infantile spasm, ACTH. Infantile spasm in tuberous sclerosis. Infantile spasm due to tuberous sclerosis. Drug of choice is vigabatrin. Drug of choice is vigabatrin. Status epilepticus, drug of choice lorazepam. Refractory status epilepticus, midazolam. Some rare epilepsy syndrome like nasal temporal lobe epilepsy, Lennox-Gastaut syndrome, juvenile myoclonic epilepsy syndrome, Lafora disease or progressive myoclonic epilepsy. Prescribed nasal temporal lobe epilepsy, MTLE, nasal temporal lobe epilepsy is a most common syndrome associated with focal dyscognitive features and is an example of epilepsy syndrome with distinct clinical and pathological features. EEG show unilateral or bilateral anterior temporal spike. High resolution MRI can detect characteristics hippocampal sclerosis and refractory to treatment with anticonvulsants, but respond extremely well to surgical intervention. Nasal temporal lobe epilepsy respond extremely well to surgical interventions. In MRI shows hippocampal sclerosis and refractory to treatment with anticonvulsants. Lennox-Gastaut syndrome, mainly preclinical triad. It occurs in children. Lennox-Gastaut syndrome occurs in mainly children. 3 types, multiple types. Seizure is multiple types, may be generalized tonic-clonic, atonic, or atypical absence seizure. Multiple type of seizure like generalized tonic, atonic, or subtype absence seizure. EEG so slow 2.5 hertz or below 3 hertz is spike, wave charge, and cognitive functions is impaired cognitive functions, memory loss. This is the triad in Lennox-Gastaut syndrome. Third is juvenile myoclonic epilepsy syndrome, JME. Is a generalized seizure disorder of unknown cause that appear in early adolescence and is usually characterized by bilateral myoclonic jerk that may be single or repetitive. Bilateral myoclonic jerk that may be single or repetitive. Myoclonus is most frequent in morning. Myoclonus seizure is most frequently in morning after awakening and can be provoked by sleep deprivations. Treatment of juvenile myoclonic epilepsy is sodium valproate, lamotrigine. Treatment for lifelong, sodium valproate and lamotrigine. Next is Lafora disease or progressive myoclonic epilepsy. Lafora disease, also known as progressive myoclonic epilepsy, is a generalized myoclonus and generalized tonic-clonic seizures, also associated with visual hallucination, occipital seizures, associated with cognitive or behavior deteriorations, dysarthria, ataxia, and later stages spasticity and dementia. False positive Lafora body on skin biopsy. False positive Lafora body on skin biopsy is same. Thank you. Any questions from audience? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Well,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
welcome. इसका उसको क्या करते थे?
अटेंडेंस हो गई है, एंड कॉल कर लो सब लोग।
ओके
लिली बात करता क्या मामा?
सही बात करे।
मामा
आम किसने काटा? पापा।